In this tutorial, we're going to go over this question here, poker hands 1, a common interview question. Now you can see I have the link to the website here as well. If you want to go answer it yourself, you can go there. Now you can see this question here is asking us, a poker hand consists of 5 cards from a standard deck of 52 cards. If P is the probability that you have 4 of a kind, or 4 of 5 cards that have the same rank, find the reciprocal of P. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to define the total number of ways that this can occur, and we could do this using factorials. So I'm going to define this here, and on the other end, we're going to divide it by 5 factorial. So what we're replicating here, I'll put on screen, and we could run this. So you can see here, this is the total number of combinations that could be made with 5 cards. So now we're going to define the number of ways we could match. So we're going to do matching underscore ways equals 13 for the amount of different cards between king, queen, jack, 10, 9, etc. And we're going to multiply that by 52, which is the total number of cards in the deck. And we can subtract that by 4, considering we're trying to get 4 of a kind. Now we can now test to see how many ways we could get our 4 of a kind. And you can see there's 624 different ways we could do so. Now, using this, we could then usually do matching ways divided by total ways to get the probability of this occurring. Instead, the question's asking us for the reciprocal of P, so we could actually swap this around. And here we'll have our answer. Now, we could test this in with the website. Now, here we can type in our answer, and you can see it's correct. Now, that's so you can do the interview question poker hands 1 through QuantGuide IO. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you have down below, and I hope that helps.